Hey, good morning, Mark's Crypto Corner and my Crypto Corner news. It's Sunday today. Usually I do this Saturday, but not this time. And what is it? It's August 2nd, so what's going on in the land of crypto? Looks like a courthouse. U.S. court dismisses claims against Ripple. Report shows Ripple paid MoneyGram $15.1 million in the second quarter. All right. Why did they pay MoneyGram? The Northern California District Court finds that claims against Ripple Labs and its token made by two investors cannot be proven. It's another person tried to say, we made this. Okay, so the legal dispute, which began in May 2018, pitted Ripple Labs, including CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and disgruntled investors. According to a report, the discontented investors wanted the court to determine whether the native token was theirs or not. Who cares? People's drama won't involve us. Okay. What are analysts saying after Ethereum crashed 26% in under 10 minutes? Well, that's quite a bit. Good for me, because I'm looking for a buy-in spot. However, more than just Ethereum crashed. Not all, a lot of coins took a haircut in the last 20 minutes, including Bitcoin, which was about 5%. But it still has the same. If you look at the charts for the most popular coins, they all look about the same. Goes up, 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 crash. So what have we got to say about that? After a nearly unstoppable rally, Bitcoin and Ethereum faced an extreme correction. Got a slap upside the head in just under an hour ago. An hour ago, yeah, because yesterday it was like up $600 there. After moving above 12,000 for the first time in a year, Bitcoin slipped by about 1,500 in 5 minutes, while Ethereum crashed towards 26%, per some reports. Chart of ETH's recent price action from TradingView.com. This extreme move could mean other things. Okay, so, and what? It's moving up and down all the time, so let it be. Let's just see how it goes. Make your right buys and sells, and all will be well. Accused of spreading a FUD, Zeus Capital doubles down on Chainlink pump and dump claims. Oh yeah. Zeus Capital LLP has released a new report reiterating its earlier stance that Chainlink is a giant pump and dump scheme. The new report comes after the little-known asset management research firm took a flak for attacking Chainlink's token in an earlier report, in what it now terms part one of its expose. This is like marketplace for cryptocurrency. I don't really know what Chainlink does particularly, but either way, I've never used it as a trade. Bitcoin crashed $1,400 in 5 minutes, liquidating $150 million on BitMEX. There you go. That's okay. Here's what analysts are saying after Bitcoin just broke past 12,000. Analysts are saying things all the time. Some of it's pretty laughable. So what are they saying? There's the last year, or 2018, and we're about halfway there. Still haven't quite made it. But I think it's going to go up, 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 up over time. Might take a year or 2 or 5, I don't know. But generally it's going to move up. Bitcoin has exploded past the $12,000 resistance for the first time in a year. This means that in the past 7 days, the leading cryptocurrency is up by approximately 23%, minus the haircut a lot of coins just took in the last 20 minutes. This rally to $12,000 comes shortly after analysts began expecting this price point once Bitcoin reached 11,400 just a day ago. Yeah, so there it is. So what's exciting about this news so far? Not a whole lot. It's just analyst isn't that. Let's see something different. A measure that signaled prolonged Bitcoin run is about to return. Oh yeah, a bull run, you say? Oh, excuse me, their phone is ringing. Okay, so where were we? That was a TV company, because my TV digital receiver box has fried, and I think it did some damage in the TV system somewhere. Anyways, the guy is coming. And what have we got? Recent price action is starting to convince traders that a stronger term bull trend is in the works. Yeah, jump on that roller coaster. So who's this sad-looking dude? This is Bitcoin money? What is this? Bitcoin and a great number of other cryptocurrencies are electronic versions of currency. Many people falsely assume that crypto proponents are for the cashless society, and this is certainly not the case. If we removed the central bank's printing fiasco and the inflationary practices from cash, we all know that cash is great for anonymity. Yes, here's some cash. Don't tell anyone. Okay, yeah. That's why. But I wonder if they'll ever make paper Bitcoin, or some sort of tangible thing that you can hold in your hand that represents a Bitcoin or some sort of crypto. They have paper wallets for Litecoin, which is pretty interesting. So, hey, but the thing is, if you lose that, you're screwed. So I don't know if there's any kind of backup on that. You might have a public key or private keys that could help out. So there you are. Chainlink again forms a macro reversal signal after rally 70% in the past month. Yeah, up. Well, a lot of coins did that, and then everybody took a haircut this morning, which is fine, because that's what it does, right? It's better than waiting on stock trades for months and months and months, being controlled by some dude telling you whether he thinks you should sell it or not. After retracing by approximately 20% from the local highs, Chainlink is surging higher once again. This is an older report than the last one we read. Again, the US dollar, the cryptocurrency. Against the US dollar, the cryptocurrency now trades at 8.33, a price 7.75 higher than it was 24 hours ago. The asset is unfortunately forming a macro reversal signal, and blah blah blah. So what? They all doing that. And there's another one. After surging 20%, Bitcoin should have at least 2 legs higher. But yeah, it's okay. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, you know what I mean? So don't worry. Big travel firm CWT pays 4.5 million Bitcoin ransom to hackers. Oh my God. Why? People, man, you gotta tighten up your security loops there, loopholes and things. That's a lot of Bitcoin. What are they going to do with it? As long as it stays in circulation. But hackers. One of the biggest travel companies in the U.S. this week paid $4.5 million in Bitcoin to hackers who infiltrated the firm's computer system, stealing sensitive data, corporate data. It is unclear whether customer information was also compromised. Most likely, yes. Reuters reported that the Bitcoin wallet owned by the cyber thieves received 4 114 Bitcoin on July 28th. Wow. I wonder if you can trace that. Something like it's hard to trace that. You can be sure CWT has some people on that tracing it, but it's hard to find people under the guise of cryptocurrency. And some cryptos are harder to trace than others. So hopefully, I hope those guys get caught. However, everybody, well, not everybody steals, but there's a criminal in every single industry and organization in the world, I think. And crypto is no place for the weak-hearted. You gotta be, what should I say about that? You gotta be secure with your funds. Make sure you write down your security codes, and if you can, use a hard wallet. Make your profits. Store your hard wallet somewhere safe. Have backups. Do all kinds of things. But anyways, like I said, there's a lot of people, criminals in every organization around the world, so crypto's no exception to that rule. And if you actually use iCoin Pro, you can learn how to do this safely, and you can get some extra stuff here too, but put in your email. But you can learn how to trade safely, make profits, and understand the whole crypto thing, so you can actually maybe think about changing direction with what you want to do, like almost like a home business. If you wanted to start one, you could learn some things, crypto-like things, and share it, teach others what you know, and what's good and not so good. You can learn all that here, and like a ton of information, a plethora, if you will. And anyways, I'm gonna take off. This is Mark's Crypto Corner News, you see, and I'm gonna go now. It's breakfast time. I'm hungry. And thanks for listening if you made it this far. And we'll post up throughout the week, and we'll see you again. Cheers.